I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. Cause niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in, no, sir. I gotta watch my tempo. Stepper, 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 only stepping for a check. Stepper, 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 gotta step on niggas.
Well, y'all, it was pretty bad news, but good news. But good news for me, because I'm not breaking shit today. Josh, apparently broke the red eye, but nobody seems to be mad or anything. This is red eye. His red eye is always broke anyway, so that's nothing new. But I have his location, so I'm finna drive over to Slim. Yeah, he says he's on the side of the road, and the crazy part is the last text we sent each other was "be safe." We literally just sent it to each other. 16 minutes away. I'll be there in a minute. I'll be there in 10 minutes. So it says 60 minutes, but I'll be there in 20 minutes. So don't mind this, don't mind that. My gas mileage is pretty horrible for a Honda, but I'm playing that Roddy Rich, you feel me? So let's get out of here. And you know what, actually? I've installed a rolling anti-lag in my car. I forgot to tell you guys that. Yeah, I have installed rolling anti-lag in my car. I haven't been using that much because I know for turbo cars, it's not the best. But let's try and hold it today. So on my car, I have to where you hold the cancel button down, and then you do it. Hey y'all, look at this car right here. This car is, damn, this person hit a tree, the back window broke, and RIP, man. I mean, not RIP, I'm tripping. But damn, look at this car. This car is crazy. But they got a GT3 right there. It says they're out of gas. It says the gas light is on.
That's why?
Your gas light is on.
Damn it, I'm slow, Sway.
Yeah, it said it. Yeah.
Was it on the gas, Josh?
The gas light was on like the top right. See, the gas light.
Okay, the gas, but it's not like on EE though. It's right above it.
Is it?
It's right above the E.
Oh yeah, that motherfucker out of there then. I was thinking, damn, I didn't even think about it.
Yeah,
but it's not on the E though.
That is true. Man, so it can't be out of gas.
We blew the mook out this thing.
Yeah, you blew the mook out this motherfucker, but I assisted. I gave you the right fuel you needed, brother, to get up on that bitch.
That is crazy.
That is hilarious. Yeah, we gotta get a tow truck. I think at this point it's over with, huh?
Yeah.
Tow truck status.
I'm just glad I didn't break it.
We might have to get
I'm cool.
I'm try one more time.
Dang.
Watch it.
Let me see.
You just gotta
Oh, damn.
Try to call the tow truck, man. So you got a tow truck driver number, or is it Charlie?
Maybe it's probably a 4-time looking for a tow driver or something.
Oh, it might be
I don't know.
What's up, man? I've been watching his shit.
How you doing?
What's up, Jerry? I don't know. It just broke down.
That is funny. So we came up with a conclusion that 1, he might be out of gas, or 2, it might be hot. I don't know, but when we smell antifreeze, so we have no clue what the hell it might be. I don't know.
No idea.
Yeah, me either. I just know it's. Yeah, I don't know. Nah, you good? I have no clue what. I don't know. He definitely needs a. What is it called again?
New intake filter.
What's the one?
Clean it.
What's that brand? I forgot the brand.
Cayman. Leg maker?
Yeah, leg maker. Yeah. That's what he needs.
Stock Red Eye intake's good.
Yeah, it does whine loud though already. I'm finna stay right here because it's cold.
The black? Yeah. Way different.
This poor car has been through it.
Because I'm like selling red Corgiato, that's why.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I told him to keep it that way with the drag rails and back and 40s in the front. But of course, he wants to be classy looking. But I'll tell him his race car look. So yeah, apparently, yeah.
I can't believe I'm meeting.
Yeah, while it's broke again.
Broken? Hey.
Yeah, while it's broke. This is probably like the 10th time that somebody had met us while it's been broken.
What's that
hour? An hour?
Yeah, about. Yeah, that's what they always say, huh?
Yeah, it'd be like 3 hours.
Yeah, but she said it might be sooner.
They always say that it's all about their what was it called? What's the word?
What?
Their what is it called? What's their job called?
Towing.
No, the lady on the phone. What's their job? Yeah, that's their little their memos is supposed to say, it'll be and he called together, but
It's in this city though.
they always say that.
No, I looked it up on Google. That's how I found them. It's in the city.
Man, my car has been broke how many times?
That is true. It take a long time to get to you.
I had to sit in my car overnight one time. Remember?
I remember that.
Yeah.
AAA though, huh?
No, that was the Honda service. They have their own
What
people.
was that company though?
It's AAA.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the first time the dude was like, I can't tow your car because the car is too low. And the second driver said, you have special lug nuts, so we can't take it off. I was like, I have the tool. So I literally sat in my car overnight. Yeah.
Yeah. Damn.
You'll be all right.
You sit overnight in your car at my crib though.
Huh?
Was that at my crib?
No, nah. I was leaving this girl crib.
Oh, okay.
And then, yeah.
You don't need to tell the rest.
I see flames now, hold on. Yeah. This video is all over the place because one, it's been I took a holiday break, a good week break for Christmas, but yeah, man, I needed a new tire ASAP, man. Because when I tell you, because one I have not mild camber, I have camber on my rear tires. It's like it tucks in like a little sideways. Then the car is obviously lowered, like pretty much like to the max almost. But yeah, I'm getting a new tire right now because that one was on the wires on the inside. But yeah, I'm about to take these spikes off because half of them are rusty now. Not rusty, but faded now. So yeah, man, new wrap coming soon. I ain't tell y'all, but I'm telling y'all in this video if y'all made it this far in the video. Getting a new wrap in January. I got something in the works. Big partnerships out here, man. Shout out to my peoples for getting me right. I'm gonna give y'all more info soon once we go and link up with them and all that. Do all the good stuff, man. But yeah, shout out to God, man. I hope everybody had a good Christmas. Today is the day after Christmas, so it's my steering wheel. Man, shout out to Will's Department for that steering wheel. Time for another one to match my new wrap. And by the way, I'll give y'all a little more info. My new wrap is also my second favorite color. I only have two favorite colors, orange and obviously my new wrap. It's going to be my second favorite color. Man, it's going to be crazy wrap. Stay tuned, man. I'm going to let y'all I'm gonna let y'all in on more info soon. I'm back after a week break. I felt good to be off for a week. Slim and Jazz, they're still on vacation there, and full on Cabo, scuba diving, boating, catching sea sharks and shit. Yeah, I'm out here still grinding. Well, they grinding too, but it's vacation. Everybody on vacation. His birthday, all that. So yeah, man, I'm finna. No, I mean, that's the tire right there. You see the top part is on wires. Can't ride like that because out here it is raining, and I ain't trying to be slight. We back on the road again. Now I feel safe speeding now, even though, not gonna lie, ever since Slim stopped speeding a month ago, I'm not gonna say I haven't stopped speeding completely. I'm 22 years old, and ain't no way in hell I'm gonna stop speeding, especially if I'm going to be getting bigger and way faster cars. There's no way. Hey man, ain't no way I can drive a big boy AMG slow. Ain't no way I can drive a fully built super slow. Man, hey, ain't no way, man. But we back on the road again. Shout out to Pacheco's Tires as usual. That's usually the tire shop I go to, the one in Linwood. So if anybody wants some good tires, new or used, the new tires is obviously new, and the used tires usually have pretty good tread on. Left about a good like 60 to 70% left. I'm gonna say I'm not no tire guru. So, but yeah. Anyways, y'all. Don't know where this video's at. I don't know. I haven't. So lately, this whole week, I have not been vlogging, but I have been trying something new. I have been using the software called Blender. If you are into like making 2D or 3D stuff, then you know what it is. It's pretty much creating animation art. So that's what I've been doing for the past week. This whole week is learning how to create a 2D or 3D art, so that way I can because I'm actually trying to make my own NFTs. So I'm trying to drop at least 2 or 3 of them, so that way, you know, there's different options out there, man. But yeah, I'm gonna head to the gym. Don't know if this video gonna be over, but all I know is my back left tire feels like my car is driving way more better because obviously my back left tire is on wires, so I know my car, so I knew I needed a new tire on the back left side, so I got one. So yeah, I'm gonna head to the gym. Catch you in a minute, or is video over? Catch you on the next video, man.
If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback. Got me out here really looking for the payback. Every song's free to wear, cause that nigga paid the way. Niggas mimicking the city I was raised. All along without no homage getting paid. I mix the fruity pebbles with the hint though. Still up on that block but also indoor. Ever since I got it popping like a pinball. Everybody tryna be a nigga friend no. Circle tighter than the lifestyle. Family question in my lifestyle. Think my head is swelling cause I'm iced out. Ask me how I sleep, said what the lights out. Ex text me how I sleep, said with the lights off. Tryna get in a position, can't take nights off. I can shower shit and sleep, won't take the ice off. Constant reminder just to never set my sights off. If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really